Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about, can you apply for an immediate hearing for your matter? In dealing with many landlords and with the board in receipt of about 80,000 applications, all landlords feel that their matter is that of an urgent nature. However, the board may decide different. A matter is that of an urgent nature if the landlord can prove some type of hardship, whether it's financial hardship, emotional, mental, the strain on your relationship and your well-being, or if there's been any altercations with the tenant with respect to assault, a police report, or battery. These can be considered that of an urgent nature. Now what the landlord has to do is they have to file a request to shorten or extend time for a hearing. This request informs the board that your matter is urgent and needs to be brought in front of the board's attention at the soonest possible time. In that request, the landlord must provide a detailed reason and supporting documentation with respect to that request. Supporting documentation could be if you've sold your property and the buyer requires possession, you would submit your agreement of purchase and sale, any video evidence, text evidence, basically any evidence that would persuade the board to side with you and grant your request. The board will then issue that request in front of the adjudicator without a hearing. That adjudicator will go through the paperwork and make sure whether or not, and make a decision as to whether or not that request will be granted or denied. If the request is denied, then obviously you're going to have to wait with everybody else for a hearing, which the current delay times or the wait times to get to a hearing now is 7 to 8 months. However, if your request is granted, then you will be put to scheduling and your matter will get scheduled at the soonest possible time. If you have any questions regarding a request to shorten or extend the time, call us first.